This entire case, I am directly saying it is politically motivated for the simple fact that she was the ex-sarpanch, she is the punch. And we are all here as a team that is actually fighting the PDA and ODP in Kalangut. And on 22nd evening, there was a public meeting in Kalangut Church organized by the Center of Responsible Tourism. And I was invited as one of the speakers there. And that's where we exposed to more than 350 people the ill effects of this PDA and ODP and what we should do about it. And being cheesed about this particular meeting, the next day the MLA has put in the paper that only 95 people had come for this particular meeting when all the photos show that there are at least 96 people, not 95. So that itself was a shame on him. Second thing is, this complaint was filed on 23rd, that is exactly one day after the public meeting that we had. And this is the intention, to keep our mouth shut so that we don't speak against PDA or anything, and that we have this case and that we cannot open our mouths freely in the society, which we have challenged today, and is a big shame for these people who are trying their dirty politics on us.
What ते माझेर एलिगेशन घातलेले आसा की हांवें फॉल्स केस केला म्हणून, पूण हे सगळें खरें जालेलें हा म्हणूनच हांवें हे कंप्लेन केलेलें आसा. कित्याक कोणेनूय येवन एक बायलेचो रेस्पेक्ट बेश्टो इबाडूंक जायना, तिका एब्यूज करूंक जायना, वायट उतरांनी उलोवंक जायना. आमी सगळ्यांक रेस्पेक्ट दिता, तसो तेणी आमकां रेस्पेक्ट दिवंक जाय. आतां NGO म्हणटा, NGOचें काम कितें आहा, सगळ्यांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाचें.
पुलीस खंय मुळा सावन तपास करतले.
In the sad case of which is registered under section 354 IPC. 354 IPC. The investigation of the case is going on, and we'll be doing thorough investigation, and we'll come out with the truth.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.